Good morning, dear friends and respected teachers. Today, January 14, 2026 is a very special day because we, the students of Standard 3 Government Building, Columbia, are presenting our English assembly. Are you all ready? Let's begin. Now, Arfi is here to give the commands. Attention! Standard 3. Attention! First, let us start with the prayer. I invite the prayer. Sing to the mountains, sing to the sea. Raise your voices, lift your hearts. This is the day the Lord has made. Let all the earth rejoice. Thank you. Next is the pledge by Hiba. Yes, my country. Yes, my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of it. And I am proud of it. Rich and very heritage. Rich and very heritage. Thank you, Hiba. Now we have a wonderful book review presented by Rajini. Today I am going to tell about the interesting story. Its name is The Naughty Ant. One day the naughty ant thought, I am very smart. It's not good. Then he wanted to become an elephant. He collected a mask and shoes. Then he wore it. After some time, he thought, elephant is not good. I want to become a lion. Friends, like this there are so many wonderful events in this story. All of you should read. It's a wonderful book. This book is written by Mr. Sheena Raj and published by Media. Thank you. Thank you, Rajini. Next, let's enjoy a beautiful song. Singing I-I-P-P-I, singing I-I-P-P-I, singing I-I-P-P-I, I-I-P, I-I-P-I-P-P-I. She will be coming from the mountain when she comes. She will be coming from the mountain when she comes. She will be coming from the mountain, coming from the mountain, coming from the mountain when she comes. Singing I-I-P-P-I, singing I-I-P-P-I. Next is today's news headlines by Paul. Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines. In the 64th Kerala School Kalalootsavam begins today in Thrissur. Cold wave in North India. Parts of North India such as Telangana experience very cold weather. Sports. Kerala Basketball side a English football match in the Indian Super League. The news is over. Thank you. Now it's Tuesday by Hannah and Flora. This is the largest butterfly in the world. Alexandra Betty. Anthony is living this day as of Kerala. Elephant. Asifa is giving a plum. Which is the capital of Kerala? Which is the capital of Kerala? Louder. Right answer, Tirunelveli. Safa is getting a sickle. Which is the
stand here.
Outside is red, inside is white. I got it. Outside is red, inside is white. White.
Spikes on it. Outside is red, inside is white, spikes on it.
It's red. What's the red in color? No. Rambutan.
Finally, let us invite our respected HM to address the assembly.
Dear children, this was the good assembly and congratulations to 3rd standard and all other classes must conduct the assembly in English also.